A very good morning to all of you. Welcome in your online class. My name is Miss Arpita Singh, your maths teacher. How are you, student? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also good, beta. Firstly, beta, tell me which date is today? Look at here. Today is 6 January 2021. And which day is today? Today is Wednesday. Okay? Very good. Now start reading with me, beta. Okay, now student, start reading with me. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Okay. Now once again speak with me. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Okay, now beta, let's see in copy. Firstly, mention your today's date. Today's date is 6 January 2021. After that, mention your classwork. Then mention your today's topic. What comes between? कौन सा नंबर आता है बीच में? अब तक बेटा हम लोग पढ़े थे व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर, व्हाट कम्स बिफोर एंड व्हाट, आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट राइटिंग बेटा. फर्स्टली टेल मी व्हाट कम्स बिटवीन 115 एंड 117. 115 के बाद क्या आता है बेटा? 116. 115, 116, 117. Now tell me what comes between 171 and 173. 172, 171, 172, 173. Now tell me beta what comes between 165 and 167. 166, 165, 166, 167. Okay, now beta tell me what comes between 103 and 105. 104. 103, 104, 105. And tell me beta, what comes between 148 and 150? 149. 148, 149, 150. Now tell me what comes between 98 and 100? 99. Here we write 99, 98, 99, 100. Now tell me beta, what comes between 126 and 128? 127. Okay. Now tell me what comes between 133 and 135? 134. Okay, now tell me what comes between 184 and 186? 185. Now tell me beta, what comes between 129 and 131? 130. Okay. Now you write complete what comes between in your classwork copy and write same to same what comes between in your homework copy also. Okay beta? Goodbye children.